Open up your MCT, put today's date on it, title it Graphing with X-Intercepts and Y-Intercepts. First thing we're going to do is find an X-intercept. In order to find the X-intercept, you're going to plug 0 in for Y, and then you're going to solve for X. So we're going to start with A. We're going to put 0 in for Y is equal to 2X plus 7. Is the variable on the left? It's not, so we're going to do symmetrical. 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. 0 pair out the 7. 2x is equal to negative 7. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So x is going to equal negative 7 halves. So our x-intercept is going to be negative 7 halves, 0. That's where this graph crosses the x-intercept. Okay? So now let's go ahead and do the next one. So we're going to do 4x plus 0. Again, the value for y is going to be 0, is equal to 2. 4x is equal to 2. Divide by 4, divide by 4. X is equal to 2/4. So x is equal to 1/2. So our x-intercept is going to be 1/2, 0. Now we're going to plug in, again, 0 for y. So 0 is equal to negative 3/2 x plus 2. We're going to 0 pair out the x term and get it on the left where it needs to be. So 3/2 x is equal to 2. To make this fraction go bye-bye, we flip it over and we multiply. We use our brother-sister rule on the other side. So this cancels out, so it's going to be x is equal to 4/3. So our x-intercept is going to be 4/3, 0. Negative 2x, we're going to put in 0 for y. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. X is going to equal 0. So our x-intercept is 0. Now we need to find our y-intercept. So when we're looking for our y-intercept, x is 0. So we're going to do y is equal to 2 times 0 plus 7. Y is equal to 0 plus 7. Y is equal to 7. So our ordered pair is going to be 0, 7. 4 times 0 plus y is equal to 2. We're going to have 0 plus y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2, so our ordered pair is going to be 0, 2. Y is equal to negative 3/2 times 0, that's our value for x, plus 2. Y is equal to negative 3, y is equal to 0 plus 2. Y is equal to 2, so our y-intercept is going to be 0, 2. Negative 2 times 0 is equal to y. 0 is equal to y, so our y-intercept is going to be 0, 0. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to graph our line using the two intercepts. So intercepts can be 2 points on the line. Normally we're going to need 5 points to confirm that we have graphed the correct line. But we're going to practice graphing with the intercepts. So the first one is negative 7/2, which is actually negative 3.5. So we're going to go over negative 3.5 and we're going to go to 0, and that's going to be our point. And then we're going to go to 0, 7. And put that point in there. Take your ruler. You're going to notice that that is a slope that has, or that is a line with a positive slope. Now we're going to do 1/2, 0. So we're going to go over 1/2 and go up 0. So that's going to be our starting point, or our x-intercept. The y-intercept is 0, 2, so 0, 2. Draw our line, and that slope is going to be negative. 4/3 is 1 1/3, 0, so that's going to be our x-intercept. Notice that it's touching the x-axis. And 0, 2 is our y-intercept. It's touching our y-axis. We're going to draw our line, and that's going to have a negative slope. 0, 0 is our x-axis, our x-intercept and our y-intercept. And so for x-intercept and y-intercept, and we notice that our slope is negative, so it's going to go down this direction. And now you know how to graph with your x-intercept and y-intercept.